Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, you're welcome. My name is Good. I'm back again with another tutorial. You know, Valentine's is around the corner and I brought to you this beautiful gorgeous look. So if you want to see how I achieve this, keep watching. And every product that I use here, they are all affordable. So let's get straight to the video. So guys, I've primed my lid with my concealer and my first shade is going to be this. So I'm using Carmi palette by Makeup Revolution. Second shade will be taken from Take Me Back to Brazil palette and I'll be using this pink. So with the same brush, I'll be taking this dark purple, this purple color. So to cut my crease, I'll be using Rimmel London. The Carmi palette, I'll be using this shade called Bless. Yeah, we are blessed. So I'll apply to the cut crease. So back to this palette, Take Me Back to Brazil. I will apply this right here into my crease again. Just apply my glitter. This is the glitter I'll be using. This glitter is for my boys, so that's what I'll be using today. So time to apply my glitter now. So to prime my face, I'll be using this. So for my foundation, I'll be using Loreal Paris and I'm in shade 330. For my cream contour, I will be using Slate palette. To set my cream contour, I'll be using this palette. So for my bronze glow, I'll be using this. For my lip, I'm going to use this. So this is the finished look, guys. I hope you like it. Happy Valentine in advance. Yep. So please, if you like what you are seeing on my channel, kindly subscribe. It's free. Like, share, and comment. Okay, thank you so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.